Hello, good day all. Today we are studying class 8 Social Science Resources and Development, chapter 1 Resources, from page number 5, Conserving Resources. Mona had a nightmare. She dreamed that all the water on the earth had dried up and all the trees cut down. There was no shade and nothing to eat or drink. People were suffering and roaming around desperately looking for food and shade. She told her mother about the dream. Amma, can this really happen? She asked. Yes, Amma replied. If we are not careful, then even renewable resources can become very scarce and the non renewable ones can definitely get exhausted. What can we do about it? Raju asked. Lots, replied Amma. In this paragraph, one word is used which is called conserving. So, conserving means to avoid wasting or to save. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. There are many ways of conserving resources. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling, and reusing things. Ultimately, it makes a difference because all our lives are linked. There are some more words to know better like resources. So what are resources? Resources are usable things, and the scarce word means few quantity or hard to find. Sustainable means to be continue for long time, and discarded means to throw something away because it is not useful. That evening, the children and their friends made packets and shopping bags out of old newspapers, discarded clothes, and baskets from bamboo sticks. We will give a few to every family we know, said Mona. After all, it is for a very good cause, said Mustafa, to save our resources and to keep our earth alive. I am going to be very careful not to waste paper, said Jessie. Many trees are cut down to make paper, she explained. I will see that electricity is not wasted in my house, shouted Mustafa. Electricity comes from water and coal. Then, page number 6. Some principles of sustainable development are respect and care for all forms of life, improve the quality of human life, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity, minimize the depletion of natural resources, change personal attitude and practice towards the environment, enable communities to care for their own environment. So, in this activity, we have some principles of sustainable development. The first point is respect and care for all form of life. It means respect and care for all form of life. All form of life on this earth is equally important because they are God's creation and it deserve equal respect like man and nature are equal partners on this earth. Second point is improve the quality of human life. We can improve the quality of human life by healthy relationship, adequate sleep, regular physical activity and all. Third point is conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. So what is vitality? Vitality meaning is full of energy and diversity meaning is wide variety of something. So how can we conserve the earth's vitality and diversity? By reduce, reuse and recycle, by volunteering, by educate society regarding the conversation, by planting trees, conserve water, etc. Then fourth point is minimize the depletion of natural resources. So the word depletion means reduction of something. We can minimize the depletion of natural resources by some points like make electricity use more efficiently, do not waste electricity unnecessarily, use renewable energy, use solar gas or solar electricity, avoid single use plastics, reduce food waste, etc. Next point is change personal attitude and practices towards the environment. So by reforestation and by plant more trees, protect forest, trees, animals, use clean energy. These are some points so that we can change personal attitude towards environment. The last point is enable communities to care for their own environment. So enabling community means to put an effort to keep its own as well as other environment safe, healthy and long lasting. So we can make some communities, some groups, so that we can educate and we can do practice on this. Now continue in page number 6. I will make sure that water is not wasted at home, said Asha. Every drop of water is precious. Together we can make a difference. Chorus the children's. These are some of the things Mona, Raju and their friends did. What about you? How are you going to help in conserving resources? The future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life supporting system that nature provides. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that all uses of renewable resources are sustainable, the diversity of life on the earth is conserved, the damage to natural environmental system is minimized. So this chapter is completed and we will do the exercise part. So the question number 1 first is, why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? The answer is, the distribution of resources is unequal on the earth because the physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude are differ so much over the earth. Then question number 2 is, what is resource conservation? So its answer is in chapter itself. So answer is, using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resources conservation. Third question is, why are human resources important? So first of all, people are human resources. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and the technology. So that's why human resource is important. Last question is, what is sustainable development? Sustainable development is balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development.